Morning to you. This is Claude Massey. If you haven't done it yet, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And I want to get into it very quickly with you, and I want to share one concept about the idea of finding a job in Israel. Super important for you guys, right? Now, before I get into that, I want to tell you that I moved to Israel about 10 years ago. And when I first moved here, that's for sure, I was working in the kitchen. Now keep in mind, I'm college educated. I'm used to being a manager of many people for many years. And I moved to Israel and I end up working back in the kitchen. Ain't that some shit, right? Here I am 10 years later. Family, great job. Had a lot of jobs, had a lot of struggles. And I want to share what I've learned over the last 10 years with you on this channel about how to find a job, because I've been there and I can relate with you. That's 100% for sure. So let's get into the one tip I have, for today at least. And that idea is really quite simple. The idea is, don't come to Israel looking for a career. Do not come to Israel looking for a career. Matter of fact, don't go anywhere looking for a career, because the age of careers is completely done. No one wants a career anymore because the world is changing around you. Now, if your skills are not around technology, you need to step your game up, because you're in trouble. We're stepping into the technological era and we're leaving the industrial age. So please don't come to Israel looking for a career. Come to Israel and think about the concepts of trying to find multiple jobs as you're growing and learning and increasing your skills, which is incredibly vital to your success in life in general. Okay? So don't come here looking for a career. And if you're not in Israel right now, if you're not here and you're thinking about moving here, it's a great place to live. And start to think big. And keep your eyes out for the next videos I'm going to make, that's for sure. That's 100% for sure. So subscribe down below. Take care.